Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 6th, 2025, about 4 days ago. It introduces VeriCoT, a neuro-symbolic verifier that turns chain-of-thought steps into first-order logic and checks them with a solver, boosting verification pass rate by 46% and raising accurate verifiable outcomes by 41%. The paper is titled VeriCoT, Neuro-symbolic chain-of-thought validation via logical consistency checks. And as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. Alright, Figure 1 shows how the verifier turns a chain of thought into first-order logic and checks each step for validity. Autoformalization means converting each natural language step into a precise logical formula that a solver can test. The left side lists the model's steps. The center shows their logical forms and checks, and the right side supplies grounded premises from context or common sense. The flow confirms the answer only when every step is entailed. So, Figure 1 showed the pipeline. This figure demonstrates a concrete case where a step is untranslatable, which means the logic lacks symbols to express it. The left panel lays out the context and the two chain-of-thought steps. The top right panel shows the failing translation with assert false, because the notion of current year 2023 is missing. The bottom right panel adds new vocabulary for year and age, leading to a successful translation that the solver can verify. So, that example showed why verification coverage matters. Table 1 reports cross-benchmark results. The table means the verifier most often validates reasoning, because pass rate leads across datasets with clear margins. Precision remains high, which signals trustworthy accept or reject decisions. Verified correct answer rate, meaning the share of answers that are both validated and right, is highest here, while overall task accuracy stays roughly unchanged across methods. Alright, Table 3 shows what changes when models self-reflect using the verifier's feedback. Self-reflection means the model revises its chain of thought using step-level error signals, then gets rechecked. Pass rate rises by about 12% on average, and verified correct answer rate, which counts answers that are both validated and right, climbs by about 10%. The LLM-as-Judge enhanced variant delivers the strongest gains while keeping precision steady across ProofWriter, BioASQ, and LegalBench-SARA. Okay, two takeaways stand out. VeriCoT turns chain of thought into first-order logic to catch ungrounded or contradictory steps, which strongly predicts answer correctness. And the verification signal improves models through self-reflection, supervised fine-tuning, and preference fine-tuning, lifting logical consistency by roughly 18%. The broader impact is clearer, auditable reasoning for high-stakes uses. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.